Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Squid Game cookies using brown sugar. First, ensure you have all your ingredients and tools ready. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a tiny pinch of baking soda, and a non-stick pan. Also, grab a heat-resistant spatula and your chosen cookie cutters. Having everything organized makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started on this fun and challenging treat. Now, let's create that perfect caramel. Place 2 tablespoons of brown sugar into your non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Stir constantly with your spatula until the sugar completely melts and starts to bubble. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Once it's a smooth, amber liquid, remove the pan from the heat. Immediately add a small pinch of baking soda and stir vigorously until it becomes light and foamy. Time to shape your dalgona. As soon as the mixture is foamy, pour it onto a piece of parchment paper or a silicone mat. Work quickly as it hardens fast. Let it cool for about 15 seconds, then place another piece of parchment on top. Use a flat object, like a small plate or the bottom of a glass, to gently press it down to about 3 millimeters thick. Don't press too hard, or it might stick. With your dalgona pressed, it's time for the iconic shape. While it's still warm, firmly press your cookie cutter into the center. Don't push all the way through, just enough to make a clear outline. Let the cookie cool completely for several minutes. This makes it brittle and ready for the challenge. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Now, enjoy your delicious, challenging Squid Game cookie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.